Hey everybody, Bryan Martin, the Boss Man here at 4 State Trucks, and we got a super cool product we're going to go over today. Most of you are familiar with the Vendetta line of products. It all started several years ago with the Vendetta Peterbilt Premium Exhaust Kits. First and only exhaust kit with a 5-year warranty. After that, it was the Vendetta Genuine Leather Seats. Those have been a raging success. Then it was the Vendetta Stainless Steel Fender Kits, both half fender and full fender. One of the very few kits where you get all the brackets, everything you need in the box with your fenders. You don't have to do any painting or welding, just drill them and put them on. Now we've got the Vendetta steering wheels. So it is once again a premium steering wheel with a great warranty, and we wanted to do something different. The traditional 4-spoke or the 3-spoke, the wood grains, the painted red or blue or orange, or just the traditional plain old leather wrap was kind of like done to death. So to be a Vendetta product, we had to be unique. So we come up with this really edgy, chrome-plated, 4-spoke design. You're going to get the chrome horn button assembly with the magnetic Vendetta button. You're going to get the machine screws so you can secure the Italian leather ring to the wheel. And you're going to get the wiring necessary to make your horn operational. Make note that the back side of the chrome billet steering wheel also has your finger grips, which is a really great feature. But you're going to get your choice of either a black leather trim ring or you can get a gray. Both of them premium leather, and they're serviceable. 3 or 4 years down the road, should you snag, tear, or wear out this leather, you don't have to buy a complete new Vendetta wheel. You can just order the leather half wrap. And the Vendetta line of wheels is exclusive, requires a 3-bolt hub. There's 5-bolt hubs and 3 bolts. The Vendetta requires a 3-bolt hub. All you have to do to find out which hub fits your truck, go to 4statetrucks.com, type in the search bar Vendetta steering wheel. It's going to bring up our 2 color options. You can just click on options and it's going to show you a wide selection of hubs based on the year, make, and model of your truck. Find the application that fits your truck. Click on that. It's going to set aside the proper hub for you, and you're going to get everything you see here for one price. Everything will come in one shipment. Or you can stop by here in Joplin, Missouri at exit 4 and pick one up from one of our parts pros over at the store. Check out the Vendetta steering wheels at 4statetrucks.com and come see us first chance you get.